Scout, Raw Ring, Insane. I ain't trying to be your nigga or your old man. I wanna be your shaggy, you know? Yeah. You fucking with niggas that lame as fuck. Blockbusters, they Donald Duck. Come fuck with a nigga tryna have his pockets smell like Trump. We ain't gotta fuck, that can happen in the future. I wanna know what's your goals for the future. Where do you see yourself living in this cold world? Because it's hard being black, plus you a girl. I mean, you a queen, I like the way you glow. Your eyes stay low cause you stay blowing kush smoke. I wanna be your shaggy, your homie, your round. I be that soldier to come round when you're down, and I be there to pick you up. Shit, it don't take much, and in due time I make you melt from the slightest touch. Baby, we don't need no strings attached at all. Hit me up whenever you need your dog, and I be there for some late night loving. Have you telling your girls, girl, that boy something, cause my pound gang girl is official. When I get my chance, girl, I ain't playing with you. If you heard anything else, they lie. You heard me? So give your shaggy a try.
I'd rather be
so we can sip a little bit of Henny and get high. Don't worry about them busters, baby. You need your shaggy in your life, cause them niggas ain't loving you right. I'd rather be your S-H-A-G-G-Y, so we can sip a little bit of Henny and get high. Don't worry about them busters, baby. You need your shaggy in your life, cause them niggas ain't loving you right.
I'd rather be that shaggy you can run to, minus the bullshit. I've been in plenty of relationships, but none don't compare to this one. You a star when you smile, I love to see you shine. When I grip you by your waist and make your body mine. You be hitting attention I get from other hoes, but you the only one I got eyes for. Thought you knew them other niggas that you dealt with fuck up your mindset, so I ain't trying to convince you, girl, we need to reset. You say the best loving we had is when I had you stood up. I was deep in them guts, fingers where you click at, kissing on your neck, killing it, it was from the back. There we go, reminiscing, one of the best nights that we ever had. They say the only way for me to hate your guts to make you mad. Experience that one too many times, ain't trying to think back, but we ain't gotta get back. We could just keep fucking, I'm just saying, sex was bomb, girl, you had it on my mind. I'd rather be your S-H-A-G-G-Y, so we can sip some goose, baby girl, and get fly. Don't worry about them other busters, you need your shaggy in your life, a nigga that's gonna always do you right. I'd rather be your S-H-A-G-G-Y, so we can sip some goose, baby girl, and get fly. Don't worry about them other busters, you need your shaggy in your life, a nigga that's gonna always do you right.